Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Dennis Harlow. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel, and we're covering a topic called identity, who you really are, and why it matters. Today is day 22, and our topic today is you become what you repeat. Pretty plain and simple. It becomes a habit. So you don't become what you intend. For example, let's say that your back is hurting or you're stiff and you're moving like an old man, and maybe you are an old man, but you're moving like one. But it doesn't have to stay that way. Okay, you can actually. I know I'm 63, and I changed the way I moved, and it created mobility. So it's part of your nervous system. It's really not part of your body being sore or your muscles are too tight. It's the fact that you have let your nervous system take over and say this is a safe place to be, but so you continue that area, and it just keeps getting worse and worse and worse. When you start moving within your extended range, a little bit at a time, not too much because you don't want to hurt yourself, but just outside of that, little bits of movement every day, you're going to notice that your body, the nervous system changes and says it's safe to move in this range now. Okay, and that actually creates repeated mobility for you. And that's just an example. There are other examples, of course. So, repeated excuses, if you made excuses that you couldn't do something, okay, that actually builds doubt in your subconscious, in your nervous system, okay? But repeated actions build builds confidence. Confidence that you can do the things that you once thought you couldn't. So here's what I want you to do. Look at your daily patterns, okay? Because those daily patterns are actually shaping your future. So change what you repeat, and your identity shifts. That's it for day 21. If you like this video, please like and share and comment what you're planning on doing today to make a difference in your identity, okay? So for simple movements, follow for repeated daily help, okay? Because I'm going to be covering that later on too. I'm going to be showing some exercises you can do on if you're not mobile and you're an older person or even a younger person. It doesn't matter. You can keep doing what you're doing. There's people in other countries, like in Thailand, and these guys are in their 80s and 90s, and they're in deep, full squats, moving in the fields. I mean, come on. That's stuff they were doing when they were kids. The thing is they kept doing that. And that's why it has shifted for them. Their identity isn't somebody who's old and decrepit and broken. That's not their identity. They are living a life of fullness, okay? And I want you to live that life too. So that's it for day 22. Thank you for showing up, and I look forward to seeing you in day 23. Have a great day, and get busy moving around. Get busy changing your identity. I love you. You can do it. I'm here for you if you need any help. Have a great day.